Creation and annihilation, birth and destruction. In the quantum universe, these are not opposites. They are two sides of the same process. And nowhere is this more visible than in one of the rarest forms of antimatter ever observed, Antihyperhydrogen-4. Antihyperhydrogen-4 was created in high-energy nuclear collisions at the relativistic heavy ion collider, where atomic nuclei are smashed together at nearly the speed of light for a brief instant. Conditions resemble those just after the Big Bang, a hot dense soup of quarks and gluons where matter and antimatter are produced in nearly equal amounts. Out of this chaos, something extraordinary emerged. Antihyperhydrogen-4 is composed of 4 antimatter constituents, 1 antiproton, 2 antineutrons, and 1 antihyperon, an antilambda particle containing a strange quark. This makes it the heaviest antimatter hypernucleus ever detected. Scientists from the STAR collaboration identified it indirectly by reconstructing the particles it decays into. Antihyperhydrogen-4 exists only fleetingly, then decays into antihelium-4 and a pion. Creation and annihilation occur almost back to back, and that's where the quantum twist appears. In quantum physics, particles and antiparticles are described by the same underlying fields. Creation is not a violation of nature, it's a temporary excitation. Annihilation is not destruction, it's a return to energy. Antihyperhydrogen-4 demonstrates this balance perfectly. Its existence is allowed, but only briefly. According to known physics, matter and antimatter should behave almost identically. Same mass, same lifetime, same interactions. Yet the universe today is dominated by matter. By comparing exotic antimatter nuclei like antihyperhydrogen-4 to their matter counterparts, physicists can test whether tiny asymmetries exist. Asymmetries that may have tipped the cosmic balance. What makes antihyperhydrogen-4 special is not just its mass, but its structure. It contains a strange quark through the antihyperon, adding a new degree of freedom to how antimatter binds. This lets scientists probe how the strong force behaves in antimatter systems at a deeper level than ever before. In the early universe, matter and antimatter were constantly being created and annihilated. If even a tiny imbalance existed, one extra particle per billion, matter would survive. Everything we see today may be the result of that quantum imbalance. Antihyperhydrogen-4 gives us a new tool to search for it. For a moment, antihyperhydrogen-4 existed long enough to be seen, measured, and understood. Then it vanished. But in that brief existence lies a profound message. The universe is not built on permanence, but on quantum balance, symmetry, and subtle breaking. Creation and annihilation are not opposites, they are partners. That's all about today's video. If you found this video fascinating, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.